All right. Are we back, team? That's the question. Did this work? Did our play work here? Connecting. 8th. I see. Yes. Let's go. All right, I gotta take these out. I cannot hear myself whatsoever. And then we close the phone. Oh, no. Oh, no. All right. Where were we before we were rudely interrupted? Allow me to do this. And then we got the music going again. We're gonna have to reload this page because it's broken. There we go. There we go. Listen, it was just a little IRL stream test there. Give me 1 sec, I gotta grab something real quick. Okay. Whew, we are back. That was interesting. That was interesting. Like I said, everyone. Welcome to Struggle Town. We are deep in the heart of Struggle Town today. Deep in the heart. Whew. Where were we? I wish there was a way where I could have like transitioned from the phone back to the computer like seamlessly. That would have been ideal. But that also absolutely obliterated my phone battery. You won't be able to see it, but phone battery's at 24% now. Obliterated. I thought there was a hijack / seamless. I thought there was too. There probably is. I don't know it. I don't know it. That was wild. But we're back. That's all that matters. I guess even joking about timing out Lieutenant Conquer is not a thing. If we even joke about it, it's just game over and we lose. I guess that's what it is. Live chat. Sign into chat. Oh no. My YouTube signed out as well. Hang on. I thought there was Uki! Welcome! Did you just miss the IRL stream? Or were you here for the IRL stream? What the? Apparently I don't know my passwords. There we go. Stop spamming me with go live notifications. I'm sorry. What? I missed that. Yeah, Hickatile, you missed it. We ended up, our internet crashed. And then we swapped over to the phone. We lost about half our viewers, but I think that's okay. We got the most important people here. That's what matters. We were a legion for about 3 minutes. The viewers will come back. Yes, they will. They will come back. They will see the spam of notifications that we have went live like 3 or 4 times. Man. Okay. Where were we, team? Probably didn't miss much. Oh, they missed a bunch. I mean, you had an IRL stream. We did an IRL run, point of view. We did a point of view cam where we showed point of view of coding. What didn't we do? Really? We did a lot. I'm most important. Are you, Uki? Are you? I'm not gonna say who's most important here, but listen. I don't know, Uki. Well, let's check here. Following since the 27th. You haven't even been following for 10 days yet. Which goal do we have to get you to cover your room with Godot papers? What do you mean by Godot papers? Longer than me. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, but Samikins, you are more important than Uki. Paper with Godot logos? Godot, okay. Listen. That would legitimately cost me a lot of money. It would cost me about, I don't know, how much is a printer, paper, and ink? Ink is what gets really expensive. Ink is like $30. That looks like a lot of ink. Never mind. Ink is like, it'll probably take like 2 boxes of ink. So like 20 bucks. And then a stack of paper, which is another 10 bucks. So that's going to cost me 30. So, and then the time it's going to take to cover the room and to print and cover the room. And then the tape, like we're talking about like, without the time it takes to actually do this, we're talking about at least 50 bucks. Electric for printer, never measured that. Yeah, I'm not even putting that in the calculation there. That's not even in the calculation. Yeah, that's a big one. I don't know. Which also the room that I'm currently in, I don't think we'd be able to do it. That's a lot. That's a lot. It would take for a single printer paper. I mean, this room has a lot of walls. I would say it would take at least like 400 plus pieces of paper to cover. Also, we got ads coming in 1 minute apparently. But at least 400 pieces of paper. So that's another 20 bucks each 100, I think. Oh man. Yeah, that's gotta be another like, that would be probably like 200 subs or 256. Yeah, 256. That would make more sense. But even then, that's ridiculous. Absurd. All right, we got ads coming. What we'll do here is we will I guess we chuck on the words. Bang. Restart. All right, we'll pass the level real quick. And when everyone returns from ads, we should be good to go. Ready to take on the next challenge. There's no T. I thought there was at first. Here we go. And then we do... What? I thought I already said sour. What? I said sour, but it didn't count it. What is this nonsense? I'm being cheated. Oh, there's no E. What is the big one? Yikes, yikes, yikes. All right, we fumbled the ball there, team. That's only level 1, too. Yikes. Man. All right, we're just gonna close that. We're just gonna close that. All right, a minute left, but we'll get started here. I'm ready to code. Okay. So, where were we? Oh yeah, on pressed. What were the errors? Upgrade button, node not found. Relative to root player UI. Window control. Range upgrade button. It should be there. Window, oh, we have to go backwards even more. Backwards even more. So we have to get a better path than what we currently have. So it needs to be upgrade button needs to go to, so we do player UI slash slide out menu slash slide out arrow slash stats panel slash stats vbox. Welcome back from ads, everyone. We're just trying to get the stuff working. Wait, that's not stats panel? Yeah, range label, I guess. Range label. Unexpected dot. Oh no, there we go. Let's hope this works. Did you fix it? I don't know. We're about to find out though. Nope, we did not. All right, we're gonna same issue. Yeah. Look, we need to go to the player UI here. And what we're trying to do is update, not this one. We're trying to update this. Range label. This is what we want. I wonder if that will work. It's a little absurd. I don't think it will work. But if so, that would be nice. Oh, no errors. Range 5. 20. It did work. Oh, but then it takes it away. What? Look at this. Boom, 25. You can see it says 25. Right underneath there. Right here. 25. That's what it should say. But then the second we exit out, it goes back. Oh me, oh my. So then we exit, and then it goes back. So something's happening where it's constantly updating it in order to set it back. Okay, but we're making progress. This is progress, team. This is progress. Okay. this is what we'll do. I need to run downstairs real quick. I forgot something. Yes, I forgot something. So I'll check the words back on. Just for a little quick moment, and I will be right back. I will be right back. Autopilot on. Restart. Okay, I will be right back, team. One moment. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. All right. Sorry about that. Turn that off. Back over here. It doesn't show what the other words were, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, no, it doesn't show. It'd be cool if it did, but it does not. So let's see. What was happening here is it was resetting the stats. Why? Yeah. Okay. Resetting the stats. Look. Game manager, update stats. There weren't other words? I'm sure there were. We were just missing them. Yeah. Okay. Max. So where is it like resetting these stats? Where is it doing it? Something's happening, or it resets the label to the 5 when we close out of our upgrade panel. I mean, you are not in the menu, duh. Right, but... Why is it working like this? This also isn't the proper way to do it. So no, let's just get rid of this. Get rid of it. It's not the proper way to do it anyways. Let's figure out what the proper way of doing it is. It shouldn't be on the button. It should be in this window control. And let's delete this. I feel like maybe this is where we changed the value changed, or put in the value changed. So if we do stats dot attack range dot current value changed, connect, and then we set the label. So we need another function here. Func. I guess we just do func set labels. So the same thing that we had in the stats panel here. Wait, but this is the upgrade panel. Wait, no. This ain't right. I'm not doing this right. Not doing this right. I'm curious about something. In America, can you drive without insurance, such as when you buy a car or something? Do you always need it? I believe you always need insurance. I believe. I think there's... You can drive without your... With the temporary registration. Yeah, you always need it. Yeah. It's not legal to drive without insurance. Yeah. Well, yeah, if you're teaching, that's a completely different thing. You don't need insurance if you give the DMV a deposit. Ah. Can you drive on your own without a full license? No. Unless you're on on private property. If you have a temporary license, you can. If you have a learner's learner's permit, you need other things. So the big thing is I think it's 16 or 15 and a half is when you can start your driver's ed stuff. And then then you'll get your permit. And then with your permit, you need to drive with a family member, I think, that's over 18 or 21 with a license, something like that. If a car was insured by my dad, for example, could I drive his car without me having insurance? He needs to put your name on the insurance as an insured driver. I think the deposit is a minimum of $35,000. Very similar to the UK. Yeah, I would assume a lot of these are very similar. I thought you guys could do anything. Tch, that'd be nice. But no, within reason. Exactly. Some insurance policies cover family members and all that. You just have to add them to the insurance. Is your theory test hard? No. I don't think so. My teacher told me you can pull up with stolen cars to drive test and nobody would even notice. Probably not. Probably not. I don't think they check very detailed in. This isn't GTA. Yeah, I mean, why would you have a stolen car to begin with? That's the real question. What does being from Arizona have to do with anything? Now I'm confused. Alright, so we got upgrade window control. Man. Set labels, stats panel. This is where it happens. Arizona must be lawless land. Something. I have yet to go to Arizona. I've really yet to go to many states. She showed me pictures of cacti. They're dope. We have Booster Car in Texas. You may get. Yeah. Facts. We have there's a cactus outside. I was thinking about, I don't know if I'm able to do this, but I was thinking about cutting off part of like one of the wild cacti here and then putting it in a pot and then keeping that over here on my desk and grow a little cactus. So then if we ever get lonely, I can just put some googly eyes on the cactus and I can just look over at the cactus and start talking to it when I don't have you guys around. I might have chomped 3 cacti with machete. Ah, nice. I once grabbed a cactus before. That was kind of painful. I had to pull all the little spines out one by one. Cacti, the rubber ducky. Yeah. We would have to think of a name for it. We'd have to name it. But I don't know. I think I might. It might. I don't know if they took it down. I'll have to look around. I'll look around yard here. Yeah, maybe we'll get a little cacti. How much does it cost to buy them versus just getting a cactus for sale? Buy cactus online. Rubber ducky, like that USB? I got one, but no, not like that. Oh, my lance, get out of here. Look at all these different cacti. We want just like your standard, like this. Ooh, or like that. I mean, some of these look really crazy. But we're looking for just like, we would want something that looks like that. Or even like a trident. That would be cool. The red one is cool. Oh, this guy? I see these a lot. I feel like it's too red. I don't know. The hack tool? Yeah. That just looks like it's covered in mold. It's pretty, but we want like like these. Or like this. It needs to look like a cactus, you know? A mystery cactus for $3.99. Load more. I didn't realize there were so many different types. I did not realize this. We just want like a simple. Something simple. Like, I don't like these. I don't like the red topped ones. I don't know, they don't look like a cactus. Alright, we're getting a little distracted here looking at cacti. These aren't bad. That's a bright one. Wow, there's a lot of different cacti. Who knew? Who knew? Yes, focus on code. I agree, Bush. I agree. It's just we have been trotting on this line trying to figure this out for 2 hours now. This is rough. Very, very rough. I don't know what to do. I don't. I have no clue. We've tried everything I can think of. What's the issue you're having? So what we're trying to do here is we are trying to get this range button right here. Whoop, that's not the right button. This guy, when we press it, we want it to increase this number right here. This one. That's all we're trying to get it to do for now. And then it should also increase our range. That's what we need it to do. But we cannot... The number updating, but the UI isn't being updated properly. Right. The number itself is being updated. Not... The functionality is not. But the number was. Yeah. It's very confusing. Slide out button. Let's close that. Close that. Close the global. Close the game manager. So we have, this is the player. Close that. Close that. Go to the UI. So it's really, we're trying to get, when we press this button down here, it needs to update this label. Yeah, that's what it needs to do, is update that label. And then also update our actual stats. It says that it does, but it doesn't show that it does. Like it does, the functionality isn't working. And we also need to make it so that we can use this button, reuse the button. So when the button's pressed, it takes our stats and levels it up, which is a resource. So it will take the stat and level it up. We can do print stats. Yeah, let's try that. What does print stats do? Or print tab stats. So every time we press the button, I think what we're gonna want to do is show the level scale, but that's fine. Bang. Bam. Okay, no, it just shows the resource. Maybe we could do actually print tab stats dot value. Yeah, the number on the UI is definitely not being updated properly. Range 15, 20. So the value is updating. We can see it down here that it's updating from 15 to 20 to 25, which we want. But that's not being expressed over here in the range. And it's also not being expressed just in terms of functionality. Because right now, that 25 should look like, well, it shouldn't even be able to go up to 25. Yeah. So it's a very confusing thing. Let's add. Well, actually, let's go to the player UI. Go to the range label. Yeah, it should go up to 25. 10, 15, 20, 25. Should start at 10, but it's starting at 5. Then we go to the player, attack range. Ten. Oh, I guess we are starting it at 5. Never mind. Never mind. We do start it at 5. It's 5, 10, 15, 20. So then we can come back to the UI and start it at 5, 10, 15, 20. Value 5. 5. Infinite Coder, hello. Welcome to Struggle Town. Population? Okay. Button. It's not even kicking back errors. And that's just because I ran it through the array. So it's running through the array, but the array is not updating. And what's happening is it's doing this. It sets the value to the level scale, level, which is what we want. Because this is the 5, 10, 15, 20 number. And it's setting our value of it to that. But it's not being expressed anywhere. Whenever that value changes, so if we look at the base stats here, whenever the value changes, it should emit a signal. But what we found was the signal wasn't even emitting every time we press that button. So it wasn't understanding that the value was changing, even though we were setting the value to change. And this is why we are in Struggle Town. This is why. Yeah. Not really quite sure, team. Also, I would like to apologize to you all. Today is just my battery is dwindling. I don't have the energy today for some reason. I don't know what it is. But I think I have the solution for it. So I reorganized my schedule again so that I'm going to be able to work out in the mornings again. And hopefully by working out in the mornings, I will get some more energy flow going, you know? That's the hope. I also realized that I wasn't eating enough this past like 3 or 4 weeks, and it's catching up to me now. I was only eating like maybe 1,200 calories a day. It was bad, real bad. Those pot noodles are not enough. I agree. Time to upgrade. Yeah, I don't. Well, that's the thing. Yeah, we're still on a budget. You need 3 times that? No, you don't need 3 times that. I probably need like 2,000 calories. That's usually, that was what I was eating before, is 2,000 calories, my body weight in grams or pounds to grams of protein. So I was alright, when I first moved here, I was like 170, something like that. I am now 150 pounds. So I've lost about 20 pounds in the past month or so. Not ideal. A little over a month. Not ideal. So we need to gain some weight back, or not weight, but muscle weight back. We lost I assume a bit of it was probably muscle. Quite a bit of it must have been. But yes, eating healthy, exercise, very crucial to becoming a good programmer. Very crucial. So let's close that. Current value change dot emit value. Health is the most important thing. It is quite important. quite important indeed. And if you're not physically and mentally fit, you will find things very hard. True. And also sleep. Sleep is part of that health equation there, and it's one of the largest factors. And my sleep recently has been pretty bad for what it used to be. So for those of you who don't know, I use an Oura ring to track my sleep, because I find that having physical data to track things helps you improve a lot faster. Best sleep is 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Well, that's not the case for everyone. That's not the case. It depends what kind of like chronotype you are, so what your body is designed for sleeping as. For example, me, I have my best sleep when I sleep 6.5 hours. Standard. Yeah, like I think it's about 55% of people require 8 hours of sleep. For what my tests and whatnot, my best sleep always occurred when I slept 6.5 hours. Because when I sleep more than 6.5 hours, my efficiency with the sleep actually decreases. Dramatically decreases. So I wonder, like, check this out. I don't know if you guys can see it. Nope, you won't be able to see it. Ah. Yeah, you can't see that. This basically 5 hours and 43 minutes of sleep. I had an hour 33 of REM and 2 hours of deep sleep. That is efficient sleeping right there. Very efficient. So I need to basically copy that and just keep doing that. That is ideal. But we'll see. Recently, it's been like a struggle to fall asleep and then stay asleep. And I keep waking up at random hours of the evening, just thinking about random things. But I think that would all be solved from working out again. That's my thought process. So function level up. If the level is greater than 4, which this number changes, then we just end everything. Otherwise, we are adding 1 to the level and then setting the value equal to the level scale level, which is not shown here, but it's the array that we manually put in for the values that are required. Now, when that happens, I think maybe we need to omit level up. Add this to a function or a signal. But that's what current value changed is it not? Because current value changed is checking to see if our value changes. And then omits if it does change. But it's not working this way for some reason. It's not recognizing that this is a value change. Because we can print this. So if we do print, let's print the value. We can watch the value scale up as we press the button. And wait for it. Head over here. Bang. Boom. 10. 15. 20. Breaks. Perfect. So it's changing the value. We can see it's changing the value. But this signal is not being emitted that the value is changing. Howdy, Jax. Howdy, howdy. So you can kind of see what's where the confusion is the value's changing, but the mini setter with the emit is not seeing that it changed. Aw, oh, Jax. Whew. I realized the downside about this long run that's coming up is it is very hot outside. I mean very hot outside. It is currently 96 degrees Fahrenheit. 96 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 35 degrees Celsius for you foreign folk. Holy moly. It's hot. Save it for the big run. Yeah. Yeah. But that big run might actually... It's normal for us. Well, yeah, it is. It's pretty normal here, apparently. But oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know. Running in that heat? Oh. Ho ho ho. I am going to be drenched in sweat. It's going to be gross. Absolutely gross. Okay. So we got current value changed emit. But this isn't emitting. Because let's hop over to like the player here maybe. And let's go into the ready and let's do well, hang on. It's already doing it. So we have it here in the player where when the value changes, it should set our ranges, but it's not doing that. It's not doing it. Are the buttons not getting our player's stats and instead just returning a random stat? And so it's a random stat that's increasing? I think so. That could be the case. So what if we set stats equals game manager.player.stats. Now, the player.stats though is the character stats, not the base stats. Any plans for sound redeem? Didn't you ask me this yesterday? Yeah, there's we got to figure out some kind of sound redeems. We got to think about really got to improve our redeems here. But I actually, Jax, I have, where is it? In my notes here, I have a bunch of notes for things that we're gonna add. But if you have anything more specific about sound redeems, I could add that in as well. But we have plans for more channel point predictions, more automated channel point predictions, so you guys can rack up your points more. We have a vote to ban, so we can ban the bots. I think that would be fun. If you see a bot, we can just ban the bot. Anyone can ban the bot. Stuff like that. Yeah. There is a lot in the works here. And we're just getting started. You got to remember that. We are just getting started. What about this sound? I'm scared to...
Okay, let's go.
What?
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I don't know about that sound. I don't know about that sound, Jax. I don't know. That's a little It's a sound. That is the sound. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know. All right. Let's get cracking, folks. Let's get cracking. So the current value change is connecting. On our player, our stats are the character stats. So do we need to do on the button stats equals game manager stats dot and then the specific stats? Because these are the character, these are the base. And I think that's an issue. That's most certainly an issue. But how does it... Because it doesn't know. It doesn't know.
Yeah, boy.
That's always a good one. How does it know which stats it's upgrading? I think that's what's the real thing here. Is it doesn't know it's updating the player's stats. So how do we tell it? Unless our var stats is not base stats, there's not character stats where we add the base stats in, and it's just base stats. No, that doesn't make sense though. We need to add this. Bush meta. Bush meta, what are you doing? Oh man. 3 runs? Holy moly. Oh. 1. 2. 3. Bushman. Listen, I don't know about that blood flowing. It's more draining more of my energy. I'm on like my backup reserves over here, and then the runs are just like whoo, taking it more and more. Oh, holy moly. It's like you increase the energy for a short period of time, but at the cost of a quicker depletion. Like you're using a boost, like a speed boost in a game, where you're using up that fuel to go faster, and then it stops, and you run out of fuel, and then you have to wait for it to recharge. Except, this is real life, so it doesn't recharge as fast. Oh. Okay. So maybe every 20 minutes? It does not recharge every 20 minutes. It recharges every 24 hours, basically. Every time I sleep is when that battery gets to refill. It's like we're playing a D&D here. Like, yeah, we're playing D&D here, and we need to take a long rest to recharge everything. That's what it is. We take a short rest in between the runs and the workouts, the push-ups. But then you need to take a long after. You should get some Duracell. Yeah, I should probably just start eating batteries. That might work. I agree with that, Hypnotic. That would work. Eat some batteries. And that might help us out. No, we must keep pushing. Must keep pushing. Although I think realistically my battery's probably closer to like 40% right now. Because I cannot figure out, for the life of me, anything to do with these buttons. Anything. My little ring is telling me that my... Where is it? It's saying my battery is at 40. My what? My what now? I don't even know what you're saying over there. That's what a loader is called. Interesting. Must be that Aussie slang. Logically, yeah. Stats as character stats. Google it. I don't want to Google that. I'm scared to Google that. Honestly. I'm a little scared. All right, but what we'll do is we got stats. And it's updating. We need to update our character stats, but the specific stat needs to upgrade. I accidentally typed toddler. Okay. Bushmeta, I think I see where your doctors were going with that psychologist and possibly meeting with them. You got some weird things on your mind there, buddy. So we need to update the stats.levelup. That works. But we're not setting on our ready. We need to set these stats. So we have base stats. Wait. Oh, this is our player. That's why I was like, why does this look the same? So the base stat needs to update the base stat of the character. But we can't just do that. So do we need to add character stats to the button and then update those character stats? And then that might be the case here with the upgrade button. So let's go back to doing what we were doing before. Export variable character stats as character stats. And then in the ready, we do character stats equals game manager.player.stats. Okay. Now it will set. Oh, we have to save it. Now it will set. That's base stats, character stats. It will set these. We have to make a new base stat for everything. Right? Spaghetti. This is spaghetti. Our fingers are weak. Our arms are heavy. There's errors in the code in the program already. Code spaghetti. We're nervous, but on the surface we look calm and ready to drop code bombs. But we keep on forgetting how to Godot down I think too much abstraction ain't that good. What kind of abstraction are we doing here? Dude lost hair, started dropping bars. Natural. Yeah, we're, listen. Since we lost the hair, we've kind of transitioned into Eminem. So now we can drop some freestyles anytime we want. We can rhyme anytime. Any place to any face. Anywhere to any bear. We don't care. We'll just put our hands in the air. Don't do drugs, do you dare? Bam. There we go. I need to start saving all those lose yourself lyrics until we have all the lyrics ready. Listen, I could probably make that song on on Suno, the Suno AI thing. No, not Suno. Create. I could oh wait, I have to sign in. Hold up. There we go. We could do custom. Enter your own lyrics. If you had one shot, one opportunity to program anything you've ever wanted, would you develop it or just let it slip? Yo, his palms are sweaty, fingers weak, arms are heavy. There's errors in the program already. Code spaghetti. There we go. Mistyping on the keyboard already. wait. Fingers weak, arms are heavy. Mistyping on the keyboard already. Code spaghetti. He's nervous, but on the surface, he looks calm and ready to drop. What are we dropping though? We can't drop code bombs. We gotta drop. Wait, he looks calm and ready. Ooh! Arrays on ready. Hold up. Hang on, there's mistyping on the keyboard already. Code spaghetti. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready. Wait, on the surface he looks calm and ready to fork what are we forking? We're forking what's the word? When you fork from GitHub, you're forking the source code, forking, fork branch? Looks calm, ready to fork branches? No. To drop, ready to fork, to push. Ooh, ready to push bombs. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to push. To force push. Yeah, I guess bombs would work. Bombs. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole chat goes loud. He writes. He types. Whole chat goes so loud he opens his mouth, the words won't come out. The whole chat goes so loud he types on the no. We need to do this. Before we put it in Suno, we need to open up Notepad here. And then we need to do a new one. I need to close all this. Oh gosh, okay. Okay. If you... No, we can't ask GPT. What are you doing? No. This needs to be off the dome from us, team. This needs to be off the dome. Listen. If you had one shot, one opportunity to program anything you've ever wanted, would you develop it or just let it slip? Wait. Yo. Wait, let's do, instead of his, we can do our, because we're a team here. Our palms are sweaty, fingers weak, arms are heavy. Mistyping on the keyboard already. Code spaghetti. We're nervous. We're nervous. But on the surface, we look calm and ready to force push bombs. But we keep on forgetting what we wrote down. The whole chat goes so loud. We redeemed rap mode. Listen, my brain is just not on par today. We're just segmenting off on different ways. What is this? Rap. Why is rap not allowed? You gotta rap it though, over a low rent beat. We will. Oh, for sure. I heard he's bleaching his hair next stream. Definitely not. Wrote down the chat goes so loud. I mean, you, not some AI. Yeah. No, I'd rap it over some low rent beat. Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity. Hang on, let's go. Let's do this. YouTube. We'll just test it out. DMCA free low rent beat. That's like lo-fi. Rap beats. Here we are. That's an ad. Oh, we got ads coming. I'm changing my username to Freedom Stan. Oh, we're gonna have to write a new song about Stan then. Oh no, let's not do that. Your number one fan, Stan. Okay, here we go. Oh geez, this is some dark rap beat. Oh, I cannot rap on this beat. We need a different beat. Sad storytelling beat. I don't know how this goes. This is too sad. 90s boom bap rap instrumental. I don't even hear it yet. All the ads. Oh god, I can't rap. We have to wait for the ads. We can't not wait for the ads. Let's figure out more lyrics real quick. We need more lyrics to it. So, wait, we need to say look. Look. One shot. One opportunity to program anything you've ever wanted. Would you develop it or just let it slip? Yo. Our palms are sweaty, fingers weak, arms are heavy. Mistyping on the keyboard already. Code spaghetti. We're nervous, but on the surface we look calm and ready to force push bombs, but we keep to get push probably. Get push bombs. That's not a thing though. That's not the code how you push from get, is it? I guess you could get push. Get push bombs, but we keep on forgetting what we wrote down. The whole chat goes so loud we open the program, but the code won't run now. We're debugging now. Everyone's refactoring now. I need to pull up the lyrics. To drop code. Wait. But we keep on forgetting what we wrote down. Chat goes so loud. We open the program, but the code won't run now. He's choking how? Everyone's joking now. We're debugging now. Everyone's refactoring now. Or I guess we're rhyming now at now. And no, we're debugging how? Everyone's refactoring now. The jam clocks run out, time's up. Submit it now. Snap or there we go. Now I'm not so proud. That's odd now. Yeah, we got it. Raging about colliders now. Wait. Okay, hang on. So we got to space this out so we can read it better. Code spaghetti. We can put code spaghetti on a new line. Code spaghetti. We're nervous, but on the surface we look calm and ready to get push bombs. But we keep on forgetting what we wrote down. The whole chat goes so loud. We open the program, but the code won't run now. We're debugging how? Everyone's refactoring now. The jam clocks run out. Time's up. Oh, submit it now. Wait, submit it. Wait, what was the other line we had? Raging about colliders now. Jam clocks run out. I think we need to have the clock run out though. Let's see how it plays. Look. If you had one shot, one opportunity, I don't like the beat, to program anything you've ever wanted, would you develop it or just let it slip? Yo, this is way too slow. Our palms are sweaty, fingers weak, arms are heavy, mistyping on the keyboard already. Code spaghetti, we're nervous, but on the surface we look calm and ready to get push bombs. But we keep on forgetting what we wrote down. The whole chat goes so loud. We open the program, but the code won't run now. Ugh, shucks. We're debugging how? Everyone's refactoring now. The jam clocks run out. Time's up. Oh, submit it now. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes chat again. I can't freestyle that part. Shucks. Listen, team, I reckon we're on to something here. Maybe we just give up on all this game dev stuff and we just go straight into rap. That's what we're doing. This is now a rap stream. We're now professional rappers. Freedom Forge Studios? No. Freedom Forge Studios, as in rap. Yeah, we need a better beat. We need a faster beat. Faster beat. Oh, with that accent, it's so good. We need a faster beat. DMCA freestyle rap beat, maybe? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Oh. Okay. Look. If you had one shot, one opportunity to program anything you've ever wanted, would you develop it? Or just let it slip? This beat ain't working. Yo. I need a faster one. These are all like jelly.
Hearts, stars, and horseshoes.
Oh my lord. What's this? You got a good one? Look. If you had one shot, one opportunity to program anything you've ever wanted, would you develop it? Or just let it slip? Howdy. Our palms are sweaty, fingers weak, arms are heavy. Missed typing on the keyboard already. Code spaghetti. I'm messing up the beat. We're nervous, but on the surface, we look calm and ready. Nah, it ain't working. It ain't working, team. It ain't bad. Kind of off, hard beat to rap. Yeah. At least with this this kind of tempo on the words, we would have to develop a whole different song. You basically ripping off something else. Yeah, we can't. I don't think it work like that. It don't work. We'd have to do like a. We'd have to make a whole song on our own, not rewriting lyrics. We'd have to think of something completely different. That's not a bad idea. It ain't a bad idea. Close that for now. I'm gonna write that down. Ain't a bad idea. I wrote it down, and we'll see what we can come up with. All right, back to work, actual work now. So our character stats are going to be equal to our player stats. And what this should do is change our base stats? No, that won't work. Crap. It wouldn't be stats.levelup. It would have to be character stats. And Twitch freaked out on me, but I'm back now. Welcome back. Really interesting. Maybe Twitch doesn't like us rapping. They might not like us rapping here. A lot of people did not like our rapping and broke. Yeah, it broke. Oh man. Okay, maybe that doesn't work then, team. Maybe we can't. Just because we got the haircut doesn't mean we can rap. Confirmed. It's confirmed. But I don't know. The Twitch be twitching. Indeed, it be twitching. No, it's not. All right, delete all this. We need a hero. We need a professional. Maybe. All right, let's see who's in the chat. All right, bad news team. Ironic is not in the chat. We need to summon him. All right. Everyone put your forces together, because apparently we can't do this without Ironic. Dear Ironic, please appear. We need your assistance. That's ironic. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Isn't it? We're in Struggle Town. In Struggle Town. Maybe what is something else we could do? Maybe we take a break from the button and we try to do something else. It's just the thing is, oh, know what we can do? We can fix our ferry. That's what we can do. That's a fix. So what's going on right now with this ferry here? Wait for it. Oh my lord, we need to cheat. There we go. So we click the ferry, or just remove it like the button and upgrade function, and make it from the ground up. Well, no, we don't need to make it from the ground up. It's just a matter of figuring out, knowing how to properly implement it, I guess. Okay, so the ferry's moving. It's animating properly. That's good. Oh, it's attacking properly. Wait. Is it doing its special properly? Is the ferry not broken? Okay, it's not doing its special. Yeah, it's not doing the special. That's a fix. That's a fix. So all we need to do is go to characters, under companions, ferry. We'll open the scene. Where are you doing? There he is. I don't know, but when I encounter something like this, I remove everything and code it from the ground up. That's not a bad idea. It's just so much work. We already basically coded it from the ground up 3 separate times. 3. I don't know if we go for a 4th. It's just something very basic that we're missing. It's something just very basic we're missing here. And we're just not thinking straight. Not thinking straight. All right, here's the special tree, and it connects. So let's go and see if it plays the animation. Okay, it plays the animation properly. That's good. Let's go to the companion, and let's go to the bosses and companions. So it does have the stats that it needs. So why is it not wanting to play this? Maybe if we go to animation player, go to the animation, and spell 2. There it is, heal, and then it emits when it's done. So we hop to the script here, and we do. All right. So here, when we finish the special, we swap back states. That makes sense. Special cooldown speed. The other thing is, are we getting the proper stats? Character stats. That should be proper because we get them and then we add the base stats in. Oh, does character stats still does have these though? Yeah, it does. So go back. What in tarnation? Attack. Special. Use special. Here we go. If the member stats dot health value. Okay, so this is where it's breaking. Because we're having that problem. Yeah, let's go, team. We're having the problem where our stats dot health, that should be this guy. So it should still work if we do character stats. So go to our player. That's not our player. Go to our, where is it? Go to our player. And we have stats as character stats. That's good. And we have health under character stats. Yep. Dot value, which is this one. That's our current health. And hop back to the fairy companion here. So if the stats dot health dot value is less than the stats dot health dot max, then we return true. Okay. Then we travel to the special tree. Now our heal, this is something. We check our party and we check the distance too. If the distance of game manager player stats attack range dot value and the member health stats dot health dot value is less than the health dot max. So if our value is less than our max value, then we instantiate the scene for the heal effect, and then we do the stats dot health dot value times our heal percentage. So why isn't that working? That should by all means work, right? I think it should. Maybe, is it our timing is too slow? Slow percentage, our special speed, so that's how fast we do this. And that's the heal percentage, so 10%. Slow percentage, we don't need. Special speed is 5. What if we undo that? 1? That might be too slow. Let's see. We gotta see, where is it breaking? Is it just moving too slowly? And that's the case? That's why, because it starts to do the animation. We see it do the begin it. So it moves. Let's take some damage. It swaps to the special state. But look, it's just staying still. Howdy, vet. Howdy. Is it moving? I can't tell. I don't think it is. Let's check the debug, see if there's any errors occurring. Ooh, emit signal can't emit non-existing signal special finish, or finish special. Oh. Finished special is not emitting properly. Hold up. Did we delete the signal? Finished special. Wow, we don't have the signal for it. Signal, finished, special. Close that. Has the same as a previously declared signal. So it is declared. Why, where? Where is it declared? I think it's because it's a built-in signal, right? Cannot emit non-existing signal, finished _ special. Where is that signal though? Control F, signal. This lambda gets called when this signal gets emitted. Okay, so this is a signal then, finished special. But we didn't write signal anywhere. Huh. Oh, there it is. It's at the very top for some reason. Let's move this down then. Okay, finished special. Finished special. Emit signal can't emit non-existing signal. So it's not seeing that signal exists. That's strange. Go to the animation player. Right here, emit signals, finished, special. Root node. Emit signal, finished, special. Why does it not want to emit that? Yo, dragon, what up? Welcome to Struggle Town. Population? Me. We're trying to find out why this signal is not actually being emitted. Or it should emit when we finish this animation here. Emit signal, finished, special. And then when that emits, we connect it to this lambda that sets all of our stuff. But it's saying that that signal doesn't exist? Do we have to connect it? On finished special. That doesn't sound right though. So delete that, but keep it connected. Like so. I don't think that would do anything though. Oof, what are you fighting? Everything. Game development as a whole. We're trying to figure out so many different things. We gave up on our buttons for now. And we're trying to figure out to fix this little fairy guy to heal us. So we take damage. And then it goes to do a special, but it's not working because it can't emit a non-existing signal finished special. But then we look over at its script here. And let's disconnect this because we just connected it, but disconnect it. And we have the signal up here. Finished special. And finished special dot connect. Who holds the signal? The fairy companion holds the signal. And it's just the animation. When the animation finishes, it emits the signal, finished special. So I don't know why it's not. Finish signal. Missing connected method. On animation tree. Animation finished for signal. Interesting. On special timer timeout signal. Timeout from node. And on finished special for signal. Finished special. So... Huh. Missing connected methods. Do we have to reconnect these maybe because we moved things around in the files like ages ago? So we hop here. I guess let's just reconnect it. So let's delete this. We're going to add track, call method from our fairy. Okay. And then we want to insert key, heal, open. And then at the end, we want to insert key and we want to do the signal. So it would be I think we have to type it. Signal. Here. Add user, get array, no. Add user signal? How did we do this before? Like wrote our own. Special? No. Signal. Script method. How did we add that signal? Signal, it's like signal emit. Emit signal. Open. Now we have to click it. Here it is. Name emit signal. But instead, we're naming it name is going to be special finished, right? Special or finished special. Finished special. And then the argument is dot emit. Finished special dot emit. No, that's not right. String name needs to be finished special. Finished special dot emit. Like that. And then the name, I guess we just do finish special again. I don't think that's right. Turn it on. Save. Emit. Oh, it worked. Emit signal and finished special. Emit signal and then finish special. So emit signal, finished special. Welcome, Ironic. We were just summoning you, actually. Self admit signal name. Yes, a dragon. Yes. So it'd be like this. Is the stream working fine for everyone? I hope so. I know we were having the internet problems earlier. Like major internet problems. All right, let's see if this works now. Stream is fine. Okay, good. All right. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Bring our range up. Bam. Bam. Let's go take some damage. Still having the same issue. Where it's not, I assume, yeah. Can't emit non-existing signal. Finished special. But we go to the fairy. And finished special is indeed a signal. Finished special. Finished special. Is that the script it has? Yes. This is the script that the fairy companion has. And we connected the animation player. 100% sure. Unless we have to give the... Do we give the animation player the script as well? I don't think so. But this is the one that we connected it when we did the function. Looks like it's the correct script. It seems like it. And I'll delete it again and add track, call method to the fairy companion, Yeah, fairy companion. Okay. Then we add insert key. And this is our heal. Open. At the end, we insert key. And we want to do a... Oh, maybe I just did the wrong one. And no, this should be it. Emit signal, signal string name. So open, emit signal. And then we got to click on it. Argument. And string name, finished, special. So it emits the signal, finished, special. Finished, special. Turn it on. There we go. Save. Play. It's still saying that there's going to be an error. Is there a reason why you use signals local within the same script? In this instance, it's just purely for letting it know when the animation finishes. That's the reason. Same exact issue. Non-existing signal. Look at all the errors. So the only other errors we have are these ones up here. These are the warnings. So our animation tree finished, or signal animation finished, from node tree to fairy companion. I think this has to do... with us reorganizing all the files and the locations of where everything was. I don't think it's realizing that we moved things. And so it's trying to get signals. So our animation tree, maybe we have to reconnect this. Animation tree finish signal. Go to method. See, it can't even go to the method. But so where would we connect that? On special timer timeout, for signal timeout, from node fairy companion special timer to node fairy companion. So it's even our other special timer here needs to be disconnected and reconnected. Like that. No, never mind, that didn't do anything. But does the timer start? Can you print time left on it? The timer starts, so that's the special timer. So right here, special timer, wait time. It sets it to our cooldown speed. And then on our special timer timeout, it just connects and does that. And we start it here when we finish the special, is where we're starting it. And then we have on ready var, special timer is get special timer. But I think what happened was a couple days ago, we reorganized all of our files. And so it's not getting the proper locations again. It's being weird. So I think just by deleting and retyping, it might fix it. If it keeps resetting time left, Is it resetting time left? Because we know this has worked in the past. That's the thing. Like, we know for a fact that this worked. But then it broke after we reorganized everything. So I'm trying to find where it broke, because we know it worked before. But maybe because I don't know. Dude. Oh no. What are you sending?
Whenever I see an effect and I feel
If Promi had to be rhymed.
that I know its creator is quite the real deal, I'll first try to see if I too can attain it, and then make a video to try to explain it, with
Oh
one
my.
single goal, to take a complex thing and break it into pieces that aren't so perplexing. We just need a starting point.
Bushman, are you saying that's what we need to do? We need to take advantage of our rapping skills and put it to good use. Man, oh man. All right, I'm getting distracted here. Hold up. We need to figure out special timer, dot wait time, stats. So where is it? It's not, the special timer doesn't start until we finish the first special. Which is what we want. That you ain't blonde enough yet? Yeah, we're gonna have to bleach the hair, I guess. That's not happening. We're not bleaching our hair. Do you know how bad that would look? I'd have to I'd have to bleach the beard as well. Bleaching your hair is just not good for it. Oh, jeez. Nope, nope, nope. Okay. Grab the fairy. Let's go take damage. Special. Now let's go to the errors. Yeah, it's still saying the finished special signal is not emitting. I wonder if it has to do with this here, animation tree, because it's not giving us that warning anymore. Which is weird. Oh wait, because I'm searching? Is it because I'm searching? No, that's not it. So animation tree finished for signal animation finished from node. Where's animation tree? Missing connected method on animation tree finished for signal animation finished. I think I know what's going on. Please enlighten us. Because I do not. I think it's when we reorganized everything. It messed with all of our signals. Open the animation player, check the signal. All right, animation player. Here's the signal. So it's searching for a string name, finished special. Play. Oh, you want to play the animation? I'm going to have to close the animation tree. Like, it plays it. Kind of lag. It's lagging a little bit. That's weird. Why is it lagging? Huh. It like pauses for a moment. That's weird. I'm pausing right here. Might just be my computer, I guess. I have set up same as you now. Oh, okay. Let me hop to the script. And it works 100% when I play the animation, calls the function it's supposed to. So I think what's going on then is it's that connection issue, right? Because when we moved everything around, we moved all of our files around in the file manager earlier. So I think what's happening is when we moved it, Godot did not tell everything that it was moved. And so these signals that are connected in the, it says that it's looking for that, but the connection is happening locally. I don't know actually. But then again, the target finder is connected and it's working perfectly fine. It's just the animation, this animation tree here. For signal animation finished, from this to that. So let's disconnect, reconnect, but it doesn't do anything. So we delete it. And then it's boom, it's broken again. Reconnecting does nothing. Oh. So you have Fairy GD, it has a signal, special finished and ready, and you have a lambda connecting the signal to two functions. Now you just made nothing or nothing functionless connection. Another functionless connection. Okay, so let's disconnect that then. It's still throwing out the error or the warning. Interesting. Oh, because we didn't save it. No, it's still. What the heck? Hold up. Hold up. So let's go to the lambda. That's a different lambda. Here it is. Finished special dot connect. And then it does this. It sets our state to attacking, restarts the special timer. So you have Fairy GD, it has signal, special finished, and ready. And you have the lambda connecting the signal to two functions. No, we have the lambda connecting to one function, one anonymous function that starts the timer and sets our state to attacking. In the ready. And when the special timer expires, it's supposed to do special attack, which calls the animation. Yes. So when the special timer connects, use special. And then use special, we'll check if we need to heal them. And then if so, then we set our state to special. And then travel to our special tree, which plays that animation. Which I should probably reactivate this before I forget. So it'll hop over to the special tree here, which works. Missing connected method on special timer timeout for signal timeout from node special timer. Special timer. And we don't need to connect it here, do we? Because it's connected through the code. So let's disconnect that. Maybe that's what was causing the issues. Is that it was trying to get a different connection. Let's see. Nope. Still not. What's it saying now? Finished special is still non-existing. Huh. Huh. Finished special is non-existent. Ignore the lambda for a minute and get the signal to work. Okay. So I don't know why the signal's not working though, because we have signal finished special. Connect the signal through the editor to a new function. Okay. So we can just comment this out for a sec. And then we can do finished special dot connect func print tests like that. No? Do it manual way? Oh. Func, test, func, print, test. Finish special, connect, test func. Not like that either. With the editor. Oh. You're saying in the... over here. I see what you're saying. I know what you're saying. Hang on. Here. Finish special. Connect. Print. Test. Save. So now just whenever it finishes, it should just print test. Finished special does not exist. The issue is emitting, not connection. Maybe emitting the wrong object. Also, welcome back, Shiloh. Haven't seen you in a while. Can't emit non-existing signal. Finished special. I've been busy. Yeah, I've been busy with other streams. Don't think I haven't seen you. I'm kidding. I think you broke your Godot. Don't say that. Can't emit non-existing signal. Finished special. What if we go... now we go to the animation player. Over to the animation player. And then hop back to the emit. Wait. Why can't I click? No. We'll do this. Ready? Go like this. Delete. Add new track. Woo! Call method. Connect. Okay. Make this bigger. Insert key. Heal. Open. At the back. Insert key. And then we should be able to do finished special. open. No, it's on finish special. That's not right. Insert key. Signal. Open. Nope, that's the user signal. Insert. Emit. Open. Oh, we're in node. That's why I was like, why isn't it showing? And then we do, on the arguments, we want to do on finished special. Like that. Save. Hit on. Hit on. There we go. Play. No, you want to write the signal name there. Oh, we want to write the signal name there. Oh. Yeah. So we want to write, instead of there, we want to write the, Alright, we gotta delete this again, I guess. Just bring this back here so we don't lose a place. Add track, call method, companion, insert key, heal, open, back here, insert key, and we still want to do the emit signal, finish special, emit signal, open, finished special. Turn that on. Save. Play. Bang. Bam. It's still not finding it. Non-existent. Finished special. Huh. But it very clearly exists, right? Are we missing something here? But the animation is not getting played. Yeah. I don't see a script on Fairy Companion. Am I missing something? Yeah, it's scripts right here. The animation's not getting played fully, right? Oh, so hard to see from laptop. Ah, yeah. I tried to zoom in, but I don't know how to zoom in the sides. I only know the code. So, what's happening then is it's not playing the full animation, because it should probably stop right at the end when it tries to emit it, right? And get stuck there. Why wouldn't it play the animation? Let's see. Animation, playback, travel, attack tree, special tree. So is this not working then? Use special? And it's not finding its stats? Another route to try, a calling inside the script. And that method just calls finished signal dot emit. So there may be something else going on. I think there's something else going on. That's what I'm starting to think now. We could do animation, playback, travel, special animation. Always we're trying things when stuck. Yes, indeed. So another route is trying to call a method inside the script. And that method just calls finish signal emit. Ooh. What do you, I don't know how to do that, or what you mean by inside the script. The method calls finished signal So finish special dot emit. Isn't that what we were just trying? And it wasn't? Cheap viewers on Mollycam. Wowee. Why didn't Seribot pick that up? In the rare case that Godot has a bug with emitting signals in Animation Player, you can try proxying it into a script. Oh, just calling a GDScript method seems to work. Huh. The very strange part, though, is that a dragon ran this on their own, and it worked for them, which I don't get. Apparently, the signal just doesn't exist once the game runs. Right. Which is giving us the error that's saying doesn't exist. Emit signal P? What is P? Error signal is invalid, and script is null. Wait. Signal is not valid, and the script is not null. Oh, okay. And the reference to the script is not true. Reference script has a script signal. So it's saying it doesn't have it just doesn't have the name. It's saying that the script is not null. It is valid. Error unavailable. That's the bug, right? Huh. I'm just out of curiosity. Yeah, no, that plays. It lags, but it plays. I don't know why it's lagging. Yeah, what the? Just the special animation for some reason is lagging. Signal foobar function, ready. Signal foobar connection function, print foo, print bar. When running the animation, at the end of it emits the signal. So in the ready, we connect that to an anonymous function that just prints foo and bar, but I manually run the animation. Maybe it's something with our animation tree? What if I just do this? That wouldn't do anything. That shouldn't do anything either. Oh crap, we got ads. I didn't even see that. Test works on my end. I suggest trying to call a custom method instead of emitting the signal in the animation player. Okay, so we'll have to call it a custom method instead. Give me 1 sec though. I gotta run to the bathroom real quick and grab some more water while the ads are running. And then we will figure out how to do what you just said. All right, 1 sec, team. Oh my lord. Sorry, not feeling well. Sorry to let you down. Shiloh, what are you talking about? Wait, what? Why is everyone... What is going on? Freedom has stepped away. Let's spam emotes. Shiloh, you haven't let anyone down. Don't listen to LT. Don't listen to him. Alright, so let's figure out and create a custom method instead of emitting. Ugh. Wow. Sounds easy enough. Custom method is just a normal method. Right. And then we just like we did with heal, like this, we're just connecting that in. So what it will do... Oh, I just noticed this. Starts spamming emotes. Infinite Turbo Finch. Alright. This lambda gets called when signals emitted. So we'll do... Really, we just need to do these two. Let's go make a new function. Or I guess we just do on finished special. Right? And we call on finished special at the end. Yeah, you could call it directly if you don't need a signal. What is on finished? I guess we don't need a signal anymore. We'll leave it for now and we'll just add something new. Func special finished. Then we set the state back to attacking, start the timer. And then we also need to do, I guess that's all it needs to do, actually. Yeah, that's all it needs to do. So then at the end of the animation, we're gonna do a method call to finish special. So animation player. Add track, call method, here. Insert key, heal, open. At the end, insert key, special finished, open. Save. Play. Alright, then we add it. Moving around too much. Take some damage. Is it moving? It doesn't look like it's moving. It's just getting stuck. So maybe it's not an issue with it calling it the signal or something, even though it says it is. It's like not even playing the animation. It's trying to. Let's hop to the animation tree. In the special tree, let's disconnect that. So we'll disconnect the timescale for a sec and see what happens. Interesting. That works. Okay. It works now. The problem was our time scale. Very interesting. Okay. So we don't need this anymore. Let's go to node. Finished special, disconnect. And I guess we just delete the... I wonder if we... I wonder if we re-enable this, even though it said there was an error with it. I wonder if it was just that time scale that was messing us up. So I just want to try in the animation tree, or animation player. We're going to call add track, call method, okay. Insert key, heal, and then insert key, emit, and then click on it in the argument, finished special, enable it, save, play. Oops. Take some damage. Pop it out. Interesting. It's working. That's with the lambda. But wait. We go to the errors and it's still saying that it can't find the finished signal or finished special signal. This is strange. This is very strange. It still can't find it, or at least it's saying it can't, but it clearly can. This is with the lambda. This is so weird. So weird. It wasn't even giving us the right error. Huh. Now, what is this? Okay. So the thing it didn't like, the thing that was breaking everything, was in the special tree here, this time scale. Why would it break though? Now it's not gonna work. Right? You remember how it didn't work for the player, then you changed it? Yeah, I do remember that. I just don't remember how we changed it. Yeah. Interesting. What did we do to change it? Let's check the player. Animation tree. We didn't do anything. Time scale. Maybe it must be in the script we changed something. Attack tree. Special. Here it is. Special tree. Special speed. Scale. Stats dot special speed. What did we change it to do? Good point. Controls, save it. Speed, scale, brakes, fairy, companion. I also probably commit. So what did we do to fix it for the player? Set attack speed curve. This is that weird math we had to do. So if we just copy this, bring it to the fairy, set special speed curve, and we literally just do the same thing except it's for special speed instead. Real special time. Global special speed curve, stats special speed, divided by 100. Divided by 100. And then real attack time, which is just real special time. So the scale, real special time. Delete this. Woo! What am I doing? Delete that. Man. And then we actually don't do this. Save it. And now it should work. So strange. So strange. Yeah, there it goes. Interesting. Okay, that's the fix. Save. Let's just double check. Make sure we still connected the, Yep, there's the time scale. Huh. Fairy companion with speed scale works now. That is so strange. Let's do that. Let's do that for our spirit companion as well. So this. And then we just do by real special time. Real special time. That sounds little. Divided by 100. Oh my lord, why do I keep doing that? Special speed, delete this. Save. So now this should work. So now when we check, I guess, did we even make it so we could slow yet? I don't remember. I think we did. Index value base nil. Okay, so saying value is not on movement speed. It's not on movement speed. Movement speed has a value. Oh, because they're trying to slow the target dummy, which doesn't have a movement speed to slow. That's why. That is why. Duh. So we gotta. Oh, we gotta do it to an enemy. No. Stack overflow. Stack size 1024. Oh, because we don't need to set movement speed anymore. And then that should break something else in our ready, I believe. Yep, there it is. Wait. We don't want to delete this. Or do we? Let's comment it out. And see what happens. I think that would work. I think. Wait, that's our fairy. That's kind of annoying. There we go. Oh. It broke. I know why. It broke because we need to fix its attack as well. So the attack speed curve right here should be the same as what we did before. So real attack time. Real attack time. And then attack speed dot value divided by 100. And then we delete this line. Save. And now the attack should work. And we should be hunky-dory. Oh, why do I keep grabbing the fairy? Invalid index value and base nil. Movement speed. So maybe our red fairy does not have movement speed. Character stats, lock. No, it does have movement speed. Okay. I think that's what we'll do. Ugh. Okay. Listen here, team. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I am completely dead today. I think we're gonna end the stream a little early. I need to recuperate my brain somehow. Maybe I'll do some video editing or something. Maybe that will be a dead enough thing. Yeah, rip pepperonis, indeed. But listen, team. Tomorrow, it's a new day. I will be rejuvenated. I'm gonna go to bed extra early. Extra early. We're gonna fly through this. We're gonna do awesome things. A little early. You've been streaming for 2.5 hours. You're funny. Yeah, no, it is a little bit early. I mean, technically our schedule goes to 3, and it's 3. So technically it's 3:17. So we're really 17 minutes late, right? Unless I change the schedule to 4. But listen, team, I'm just dying today. I'm dying. But we got the stream. We streamed. We stream every single day. Tomorrow's a new day. We'll get some great stuff done. Thank you all for sticking around. Thank you for helping. And thank you for everything. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Well rejuvenated and ready to power through. Have a great one. Adios.
You for the raid? How's things? How'd the rest of your stream go? Did your batteries deplete completely? Dying? Yep.
You